The LG V20 Lucifer, and today I'm doing a video about the LG Velvet. For Verizon Wireless, the LG Velvet is now everywhere. Verizon Wireless is available now in three colors. We have Aurora Red, Pink White, and Aurora Gray. I think the Aurora Gray is a Verizon exclusive. It's available in 128 GB of storage, $10 a month, or $699 for retail price. So yeah, this is another second phone. There's a phone there. You do have your notes for this and camera. Power button will be on the right side, button key on the left side. Also, you'll have the Google Assistant key on the left side right here. So yeah. I do like the wallpaper, they're pretty nice. This is the left side. You have your Google Assistant key and your RAM buttons in. And then on the back of the LG logo, you guys will have three cameras, camera flash, 5G logo, and the LG logo name. And then the right side, you do have the power button. So yeah. So you say you get 15 days of standby time, 36.60 hours of usage time. You do get your three cameras in the back. I don't know why it says W here. I don't know what that means. Maybe they're writing a camera in the back, I guess. So I don't know if this is 8 megapixels or 48. I'm not really sure. So that's pretty interesting. The dimensions are 2.92 inches in width and 6.58 inches in height there. It says wide-sided for ordinary, and you can have the extraordinary LG Velvet 5G ultra wideband. The unique water droplet inspired triple camera system doesn't just take stunning photos, it makes instant and 3D art, edge corners, and an ultra lightweight film makes this phone a real head turner. And performance is next level with 5G speeds. Premium features for camera, video, and audio, creative control in your hand so you can tell a story that's as unique as you are. And extras like voice bouquet and AI optimization gives you professional looking photos and videos effortlessly. Go all day and go into the night with a battery that won't quit before you do. Experience all LG Velvet 5G has to offer on Verizon 5G ultra wideband network. Make a statement. Stand out from the crowd with the LG Velvet 5G next generation design. The newly redesigned unique water tripod camera system makes a statement, and the lightweight build with 3D art edges make this lamp comfortable to hold in one hand. This beauty is built dimension proof with water, dust, and shock resistance, so that's really nice. So you can dance in the rain or blaze a new trail. Alright. 5G fast. Experience lightning fast speeds, live for you downloads, and robust connectivity with 5G. Verizon ultra fast 5G ultra wideband network puts graphic intensive downloads in the palm of your hands in seconds. Get more done without doubling 5G. Big screen entertainment on the go. Enjoy every action-packed moment of the next story or all the detail of your favorite images in a 6.8 inch edge-to-edge screen. This large OLED full vision display delivers a cinematic viewing experience without cropping or distortion. 4 cameras are better than one. A quad camera system lets you shoot outstanding DSLR quality footage. A quad camera system lets you shoot outstanding DSLR quality pics no matter the environment. The 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel 120-degree ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera capture all of life's big moments and the little ones in between in stunning clarity. And for shadow-worthy selfies, the 16 megapixel front camera won't disappoint. So you do have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back. So it is 8 megapixels. It's 48, 8, and 5 in the back. So there's your clarification there. Tell your story in 4K. Start recording 4K video with 4 times the resolution of HD. Speed up your videos for perfect suitable content with time-lapse control and AI scene detect. Will automatically recognize the scene and optimizes video speed for you. So all your videos are professional. Produced. Or for those who want to express an artistic vision, manual video optimization puts you in control. Immersive sound experience. The LG 3D surround, the LG 3D sound engine utilizes AI technology to recognize what you're listening to and applying the ideal setting for a fully immersive experience. Enjoy clear voices, richer music, and multi-layered sound on your favorite movies, and with the distribution over 2 speakers, you get the surround sound experience in the palm of your hand. Let your voice be the focus. Adjust the voice decay, fades out, background noises for high quality clear audio that's perfect for vlogging, outdoor events, and more. And with AI noise recognition, things like when the background conversations get filtered out so the focus stays on your voice. That's pretty cool. Battery that won't quit. With the 4,000 mAh battery, you can rest assured that you'll stay tuned throughout. It says with the 4,000 mAh battery, you can rest assured that you'll stay fueled throughout the day and well into the night. Explore, create, and share all day with the AI smart battery designed to conserve power for when and where you need it most. And if you need a quick charge, 25-watt fast charge will have you back up and running in no time. So the LG Velvet has XLTE, doubling R4G LTE bandwidth and 0 from coast to coast. LTE Advanced, of course, with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 400 speeds from coast to coast. It's a real device. Plus lets you use it in over 200 countries. 15 days of standby time. 36.60 hours of usage time. 3 cameras in the back at 48 megapixels, 8 and 5 megapixels, so a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the 5 megapixel depth sensor, 16 megapixel front facing camera. The width is 2.92 inches. The height is 6.58 inches. The depth is 0.33 inches. The LG Velvet weighs 6.67 ounces. 4,000 mAh battery, Android 10, 2 terabytes of micro SD, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 1.8 gigabytes of storage. There's your SAR ratings, network, 4G LTE, 5G, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, dual Wi-Fi, dual system, and Alexa hands-free. Also have HD voice. Besides to response to HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. And then the Wi-Fi calling, and the calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. And nothing, they didn't mention nothing about the screen. The screen is a 6.8 inch display. I think it's like a 1080p plus display, I think. So the screen itself is Full HD plus. So what you guys get in the box is the LG Mobile 5G smartphone, princess SIM card, 4,000 battery, travel adapter, and USB-C cable, quick reference scan, some ejection pin, product safety, and integration. So, yeah. So there you guys have the LG Velvet. It's now her Verizon model. It's available in 3 colors: in a royal red, pink, white, and a royal red. I think the royal red is a Verizon exclusive. I could be wrong about that. It's available now for $10 a month for 24 months, or $699.99 for retail price. So the LG Velvet is a nice looking phone. Great specs, great features, and all that. So this is a very nice looking phone. I do like the bulk of the layer as well in the screen. It looks very colorful and nice. So yeah, for $700, this phone's worth picking up. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. The last minute I want. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.